Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Paito.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Are you married?
No, I'm
Do you
single.
have brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I have three brother, one sister.
And one sister. Very nice. Tell me about your experience in the kitchen.
Yeah, I am work 3 years kitchen helper, and 2020, 2019 to 23 work kitchen helper.
In Coconut Beach
Yeah,
Hotel.
Stockholm kitchen helper.
Is the one in Ila Valley or where?
Alaska.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Okay. And at the moment you work in Yal and
Yeah,
Adi?
now I'm work 2 months on the Yalangadi kitchen helper.
Here
Yeah,
also?
now.
Okay. So why did you change the job?
I am only Coconut Beach foreigners.
So now you
Yeah,
wanted to
foreigners for
change.
this
Okay.
is not for all.
Alright. Tell me, why do you want to go to Romania?
My dream,
Okay.
but kitchen, I'm my dream book.
Okay, let's try. Let's try to cut this part of the carrot
Okay,
in two different ways. Up to you how.
two different slides.
Yes, two different styles. Okay?